gorgeous, welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I am back with another DIY. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my aloe vera juice. I start off by cutting off that filthy dirty part that is very unhealthy. That's what it looks like, and then I'm going to move forward with slicing my aloe vera into pieces so that it's easy for me to work. This was really difficult. It's hard on the outside, and then I'm going to be chopping off those hard little pokey stuff so that it doesn't poke me. And then I'm just going to slice the aloe vera in half so that I can start removing the gel. This part was really difficult because the gel gets slippery and sticky, and the outside part is really hard. I'm just going to soldier on. I plan on using this aloe vera juice on my hair as the L for the liquid. It's got great benefits because it promotes hair growth, it adds elasticity and shine. If you know other benefits of aloe vera juice, please comment down below, and don't forget to click that red subscribe button on your way there. I'm just going to soldier on, and I'll just play some music, yeah? I'm finally done, and this is what it looks like. I have a lot of green parts, but that's okay. I'm just going to put this into my blender just to prepare it for the fun part. You can also add the green leaves if you like, but I just prefer not to do that. I'm also going to be adding a generous amount of water. Actually, I'll just add the whole bottle. I want enough aloe vera juice to last me for about 2 weeks, and then I'm just going to plug it in. What you're looking at here is me trying to separate the juice from all the chunky parts. You can use any method that works for you, but this is a method that works for me right now. And as you can see, the water is separating really nicely. And then I had a little bit of micro stuff left, so I'm just going to be adding, yes, a dishcloth so that it can remove all of those little bits that I don't want them to be on my hair. I'm just going to pour that all in there. Yeah, this was a really long process. The preparation for all of this took me about 20 minutes, but I think the benefits are going to be really great. I got this aloe vera plant from Classy Roots. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it on the description box. It's when I went for my Classy Root treatment to do a scalp detox, and there you have it, my aloe vera juice ready for me. I plan on keeping it in the fridge so that it can last long. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You know what it is. Bye.